What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, so I'm sure you guys are probably wondering about the title of this video and why I'm selling my S2000. Yeah, so I know for a long time I was basically saying like, hey, I'm never gonna get rid of this car. I'm sure some of you guys remember. And you know, I did spend a lot of time and money on this car, but a few things have kind of like really started working out for me. This is a goal that I've actually been working towards for a long time. And you know, honestly, it's time now. It's time to hit that goal. Unfortunately, that does mean I can't keep the S2000, but you know what though? I think this is gonna be better. I think it's gonna be a lot better. So, but before we really get into that, we're gonna be heading over to my friend James's place. He has that the yellow S2000 that you guys might have seen for a few videos back. So we're gonna head over there because we're gonna be helping him install an exhaust on his S2000, and then we'll come back, we'll talk about my S2000, and we'll go from there. So see you guys in a bit. All right guys, we are here at James's place. Check out his S2000. I'm sure you guys saw it in the oh my god, in the previous video. But we're gonna be installing this Tanabe. Oh no, Revel. It's just called Revel now, right?
Yeah.
Revel. Oh, by Tanabe. Okay. Yeah. So this is basically, it's very, very similar to the exhaust that I have. I have the Concept G. This is, I think, equivalent to the Medallion Touring. Yeah.
So this, you even have this type right here.
Oh, okay. So this is the Medallion Touring S, basically. This was actually the first exhaust I wanted, but I ended up getting the Concept G. This is gonna sound really, really good. A little bit louder than stock, but this is basically like the gentleman's exhaust.
Yeah, exactly.
It's gonna sound sick. So we're gonna go ahead and get everything set up. I'm gonna set up the camera, and then we're gonna jack up the car, and then get this rolling. Guys, minor updates. We had to go get some PB Blaster, whatever it's called. Basically, these bolts are like super frozen on the mid pipe, and we used a bunch of WD-40. That didn't help. I've even got my power torque wrench, and that didn't help. Last resort, we're gonna try this. Hopefully, this actually loosens the bolts enough that we can get them off. Once they're off, then we can actually finally take the exhaust off and begin the install on the new one. But if not, you'll probably have to take it to the shop. GG. Alright guys, I'm back home. We totally failed. We were not able to get the exhaust installed in the car, and that's largely because there was a bolt near the mid pipe that was just, two bolts actually that were super seized, and we hit it with so much like WD-40 and rust remover and all that stuff, and it just wasn't working. So instead, he's gonna take it to a shop and then he'll do the install there. For the meantime though, now that we're back home, let's talk a little bit about the S2000. So yeah, S2000 is going to be going away. We are going to be selling the car and picking up something else in the near future. So it's not gonna be a direct swap. I'm not trading this in for anything. Well, technically I am, but I'm gonna be selling the car, and then I'm gonna be using those funds as a down payment for the new car. And of course, as I said before, if you want to guess what it is, put it down in the comments below, and we'll see who gets it right. But yeah, to be perfectly honest, this is a little bit of a bittersweet project, largely because it wasn't originally intended to be my forever car, right? This was going to be the car that I basically track and autocross and take out on the weekends forever. But some things just ended up happening a little bit differently. I ended up saving up enough money. I mean, this was always something that I was kind of working towards, but in the back of my mind, I never really expected it to happen. So the fact that it is really, really cool, and I'm really, really excited. It's just very unexpected, and I mean, mostly unexpected. It's just mostly unexpected. I'm thankful. I'm thankful that it is happening, and I'm really, really happy that it is. But just very, very unexpected, and I just can't wait. I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to get the car, but it's gonna take a few months, so we'll see. S2000 though, honestly though, if you guys ever have a chance to buy an S2000 and drive one, definitely do so. They're fantastic machines. I love this car. It is such a good car. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of speechless. Really not sure what else to say, but anyways, at this point, I'm actually gonna be waiting for my girlfriend to come home. And then we have a mod to install on the 86. So once she gets home, we're gonna go ahead and do that. So for now, put you guys down, work on the car a little bit. Here we go, the 86. Time to do some side markers. So first mod for the 86, we're actually gonna be replacing these side markers with some cleared ones because these look terrible. Nobody wants orange on blue because that's a terrible combination. So, here we go. So we just got these from FT Speed. I don't know how much they were, but should be pretty easy plug and play. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, so first thing we gotta do, we gotta take out some of these push tabs here. It's really dark, I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I think I'll do this side first, and then I'll have her try it. So, push tab. All right, we finally got it installed. It was kind of a pain. So pro tip, if you're gonna do this, make sure your engine is actually kind of cold, because I think she was driving for a bunch and then the metal heated up and fused together. So we waited for the engine to cool down a little bit. Screws in the back came out a lot easier. But anyways, here how it looks. Oh yeah. Clear side markers, way better. You wanna start it up? See what it looks like? Nice. Yeah, so you can see it's still the amber bulb, because that is supposed to be what we're, legally we're supposed to have an amber bulb for California, not allowed to have clear bulbs. So the amber light will prevent her from getting pulled over, but the clear side markers just look a lot better. So yeah, I highly recommend this mod for your 86 or your BRZ. I believe they fit for either, and honestly it just helps improve the look on the front. But stay tuned, because we're gonna have some more mods for the 86 relatively soon. Most likely, I'll leave it for a surprise. But yeah, so anyways, you guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. The failure in the beginning of the day, and then the success at the end of the day. And then, me talking about my S2000. So, yeah. See you guys on the next video.